I will be recording part 4 of the chapter 3 step-by-steps, which starts on page 178 in your textbook. So this will be the last part for chapter 3 step-by-steps. If you haven't already, make sure you're in classic mode of Dreamweaver and go and navigate to your gallery website. If you do not have a gallery website, call me over and I can help you at this point. In your gallery website, we're going to be using the gallery template for this step. So expand your template folder and open up gallery template.dwt. This is the template that all of our website pages are based on. So index, contact, portfolio, they're all based on this template. And we're going to be making some new rules for our template. Make sure in your task pane on the right side that you're clicked on the CSS Styles tab and all rules are showing. We are going to add a new CSS rule. So click that little plus sign to add a new CSS rule. Make sure it says compound. And for the selector name, you are going to leave it as container logo. And for the, for selector name, we're going to change that. That is going to change to AIMG. Make sure it's under layout.css and then click OK. So the new rule definition dialog box pops up. You are going to select the border category. Under border, we are going to select none. And at this point, you can hit apply. And then OK. That'll take away the border that was around your Twitter and Facebook icons when you view the page as a website. So now go to File, Save All. Open up your index website over under Local Files. And if you view the page, you'll no longer have an orange border around the links when you look at those images. Okay, at this point we're going to be adding some more pictures to our web page. You can open up at this point the portfolio.html page. Double click under local files on portfolio.html. Scroll to the part of the page where it says content area, and we're going to be changing this. You're going to type in the word portraits. And then hit shift and enter to make a single line break. After you hit shift and enter, let's say we want to insert a picture, but we don't have the picture yet. You can insert what's called an image object and then an image placeholder. It's a placeholder where we are going to put an image that we don't currently have. So select image placeholder. The name for this image placeholder is going to say portrait. Then we can select a size. You're going to make it 150 and a height of 200. For alternate text, it's going to say portrait picture. And then OK. Now you see an area for a picture pops up. To replace this placeholder, once you've found an image that you want to use, you can double click that placeholder section, and it's going to ask what do you want to use for the image. So at this point you should navigate to your Web Design 2 Gallery folder and go into the Images folder. You're going to use the image portrait. Girl with a green dress should preview and hit OK. We're going to be inserting some more pictures that way. Click to the right of that portrait to insert another picture. You're going to hit enter. I'm sorry, hit shift enter. Click after the portrait, hit shift enter, and your cursor should be flashing down below. Now I'm going to type in family and hit shift enter again. I'm going to go to insert, image object, image placeholder. This picture is going to be called family picture. The size will again be 150 by 200. I'm sorry, I'm going to keep it as family. The name should be just a single word there. So 150 by 200. Alternate text will be family picture here. And then OK. Now a new placeholder pops up. That's to remind you that you want to insert a picture later. So once you find the picture, double click on that placeholder, and this is going to be the image family, and then click OK. You're going to click to the right of the family and then press enter. Now type in baby and then shift enter, which will put your cursor right below. Now I'm going to insert an image object, another image placeholder. I'm going to call this picture baby. Make the width 150 and the height 200. Alternate text will say baby picture. And OK. If you scroll down, you can see your placeholder. Once you have a photo, which we do, you're going to double click the placeholder and insert the image. The image we're going to use is called image baby. And then OK. Now we're going to view this site in the browser so you can save your work and preview it in either Internet Explorer or Chrome. Should look like this. So starting to become a professional looking website. At this point you can close your preview, or you can check some of the links to make sure they work, and then you can close the internet. And we are done with the step-by-steps, so you can also close Dreamweaver at this point. Then you would either call me over to review your web pages that you've created, or you should upload all of your gallery website files to OneDrive. So I'm just going to close and I'm going to exit. And that's it for Chapter 3 step-by-steps.